We all possess a hidden superpower, a force capable of transforming our deepest desires into tangible realities. This power isn't found in some ancient artifact or mystical ritual. It resides within each of us, often lying dormant, waiting to be awakened. This power, my friends, is faith. Now before you jump to conclusions, let's be clear. I'm not talking about religious faith, although the principles are similar. I'm talking about a deep, unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals, a conviction so strong that it becomes your reality. Napoleon Hill, in his groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich, called faith the starting point of all achievement. It's the internal compass guiding you towards your desired destination, even when the path seems unclear. Faith is the bridge between your dreams and their realization. It's the unwavering belief that you are capable, deserving, and worthy of success. Faith, in the context of success, isn't about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's not about ignoring obstacles or pretending challenges don't exist. True faith, as Napoleon Hill brilliantly articulated, is the visualization of and belief in the attainment of desire. It's about developing a clear mental picture of what you want to achieve, feeling the emotions associated with its accomplishment, and believing with every fiber of your being that it's possible for you. Faith is the spark that ignites the fire of action. It's the driving force that propels you forward, even when faced with setbacks and adversity. Without faith, even the most meticulously crafted plans are reduced to mere fantasies. Faith is the internal compass that guides you towards your desired destination, even when the path seems unclear. It's the unwavering belief that you are capable, deserving, and worthy of success. Now you might be wondering, how does faith actually work? The answer lies in the incredible power of your subconscious mind. This hidden realm within you is far more than just a storage facility for memories. It's a powerful processing unit that's constantly shaping your reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge or discriminate. It accepts whatever you impress upon it as truth. If you feed it doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs, it will manifest those into your reality. However, if you program it with faith, belief, and unwavering certainty, it will work tirelessly to bring those desires to fruition. Think of your subconscious mind as fertile ground. Every thought, belief, and expectation you plant in it will take root and grow. Plant seeds of doubt and you'll harvest a crop of limitations, but plant seeds of faith and watch as your life blossoms with abundance and success. Section 4. The Art of Autosuggestion, Planting Seeds of Success. One of the most effective ways to program your subconscious mind with unwavering faith is through the practice of autosuggestion. This involves consciously and repeatedly feeding your mind with positive affirmations, empowering beliefs, and vivid visualizations of your desired outcomes. Think of it like this. Your mind is like a record player and your thoughts are the needle. Every time you think a thought, you're etching a groove into the record. The more you repeat that thought, the deeper the groove becomes. Eventually that groove becomes so ingrained that the needle will naturally fall into it, playing the same tune over and over again. This is how beliefs are formed, both positive and negative. By consciously choosing the thoughts you focus on, you can create empowering grooves in your mind that will lead to success, fulfillment, and lasting happiness. Section 5. The Danger Within. Guarding against negative self-talk. Just as positive self-talk can propel you towards your goals, negative self-talk can sabotage your efforts and keep you stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. Every time you doubt yourself, criticize your abilities, or focus on your shortcomings, you're planting weeds in the garden of your mind. These weeds, if left unchecked, will choke out the seeds of faith and prevent you from reaching your full potential. It's essential to become aware of your self-talk and to consciously choose to replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. Remember, your mind is always listening. What you say to yourself matters. Section 6. Cultivating Unwavering Faith, a 3-step formula. Napoleon Hill, in his profound wisdom, provided a simple yet powerful 3-step formula for cultivating unwavering faith. First, desire. Define your goals clearly and passionately. What do you truly want to achieve? Second, belief. Convince yourself that your goals are attainable. Visualize yourself already in possession of your desires. Third, action. Back up your belief with consistent action. Take daily steps, no matter how small, towards your goals. This three-step formula, when applied with unwavering commitment, can transform your life. It's not a magic pill, but a blueprint for success that has stood the test of time. Remember, faith is not something you find, it's something you create. It's a muscle that grows stronger with each challenge you overcome and each goal you achieve. So, embrace the power of faith, step boldly into the unknown, and watch in amazement as your dreams transform into your reality.